Hey guys, good morning, and we just ordered breakfast. We're in Cherrapunjee at La Cooper's Inn. It's not a fancy hotel, but the place is amazing. The staff are awesome, very helpful, very kind. Strongly recommended to stay here at La Cooper's Inn, and even the food was awesome. So today it's gonna be a good day. So hello guys, today we'll be going to Metallica Falls. We're not just gonna go and see. We'll be going, walking on that river and go towards the mouth of the Metallica Falls, which is gonna be very interesting. They say it's beautiful. There are fossils and so many other things to see. See ya. Metallica Falls, which is about 3 kilometers, which is very close by, I would say. It's about 11 o'clock. We're actually starting our day quite late. Guys, check this out, man. What is this? This is out of this world. So guys, from here we have to trek down about 30 minutes. So it's gonna be very interesting. So you get out from there and then you see this direction. So we have to go this way. I can hear the river. We have reached the river. And then I think we'll trek down more down the river. Let's see. This is it. Oh man, we have a gorgeous waterfall over there. So guys, in order to go that side, we have to actually jump and then travel all the way and then go towards that fall. But then Arun is not comfortable at all to do all this, to go that side and all that. So we'll just skip that waterfall, unfortunately. But then we have another small waterfall over there. So guys, we weren't able to go that far. It's pretty dangerous, but if you have the skills to do all that, you can easily, climb the rocks and jump and do all that and then reach wherever you want to. Let's go up and we'll go and watch this waterfall from a viewpoint. So guys, we are finally at Metallica Falls, and this is a must see here in Meghalaya. I'll just show you. Check out the waterfall. Check out the pool. Oh my god, it's like blue, greenish blue, man. You have to come and see it for yourself. Check out the plateau. Wow. It is so beautiful. Hey guys, after the long trek, we are so hungry. We can have some pani puri, na? And I'm gonna have a banana and a cucumber. This is how you eat it.
Arwa Cave.
Arwa Cave.
Yes,
so we are
Arwa
going to
Cave.
Arwa Cave. So we have just reached a viewpoint and check it out. The landscapes are amazing. So guys, this is the entry to the cave. So here we go. It's like in the horror movies. It's very very spooky out here, but it's a must see. Finally we made it alive. It's time to head back, and there are more places to see. Oh man, yeah. Later. So guys, we're gonna have our lunch here in Hang Dai Sha and Ja. Wow. So let's go fill our stomach.
And other than rice, puri also.
So guys, it's lunchtime. We're having chicken, rice, what do you call this?
Dry fish, tumtak.
Tumtak, and we have some dal and some onions and chilies.
Ready to eat.
This is it, guys. That's the Seven Sisters Fall, and if you fall from here, oh my god, you will fall really bad. Anyway, the waterfall over there, I think, yeah, that one and this one and some more. It is already dried up. So guys, we are at the Eco Park at Cherrapunjee. We were there, and then we were watching the Seven Sisters Fall, which is just beneath this part. So let's take a walk and see what's there for us. So that is the mouth of the one of the Seven Sisters waterfall. Here we go. This is how it is. Yeah, she's so scared. I have to get back. Guys, don't miss out this place if you are here in Cherrapunjee. Awesome place. The waterfalls are just here. Oh man. So guys, we are done here at the Eco Park. Now we are heading on our way to our hotel. So hey guys, now something about this bad boy. We have actually checked down about 654 kilometers from home, and no problem whatsoever. Has performed really well. And just in case, I have got a clutch cable and an accelerator cable and a spare tube. Oh, and yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm riding the Bajaj Avenger Street 220. It's very important to loop your chain so that your chain lasts longer. Also, it doesn't snap, while you're riding. Now I'll loop the chain with this. Check well before use. That's about it, and you're good to go for the next, I think, 300 or 400 kilometers. Bye. So guys, it's time to leave Cherrapunjee. We have been living here at La Cooper's Inn for 2 days, but it's time to go because of our schedule, and we still haven't seen a lot of places like Nongria, the Rainbow Waterfall, and so many other caves and so many other things to do here. But then we'll surely come back again. But for now, we are heading to Kaziranga. Yeah. So guys, we have decided to go to the Gardens of Cave, which is just on the way. The name itself is Garden of Caves, but then they have like waterfall as well. Like they say, like 3 waterfalls. So let's go and check it out. And it's not, it's like a park. So it's really easier for us to, walk with all the riding gears and jackets and all that.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt.
There's a hole in the rock. Water is crystal clear. Come! Whew, this is a baby carved on stone. That's what they say. Looks like a fetus, huh? Yeah. Very strange. I think there was some kind of a rock. It fell off, or an actual baby was inside. Oh man, this is crazy. Yes, definitely hardship. Man, this is something. It's time to go now. Bye.
It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.
So good morning guys, we are in Kaziranga and we reached around 6:30 last night, and we had a tough time finding a hotel here in Kaziranga. So we got a room around 8 p.m. so it took about an hour and a half. So we went to all the famous places and resort and hotels and all that, but everything was booked. Kaziranga actually opened day before yesterday on 1st November, and we reached last night, that is 2nd November. And moreover, we didn't plan to come here. We just planned on Meghalaya tour and go back home, but then on the last minute at Cherrapunjee we thought of just dropping by Kaziranga. But anyway, so that's about it. We have this elephant safari as well as a jeep safari, but then elephant safari that also everything was booked. So jeep safari is what we are taking, and yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt. 'Cause
This is the west range of the park. So we are not going towards the central, but towards the west. Team na?
पानी का पर
You see the
yeah.
the first sighting was a buffalo. Baby elephant. It is so cute. She's so afraid.
She follows the mother.
Bye. No luck at all.
Only elephants and buffalo.
I think there's a wild boar. I wish a tiger came and Anyway. Rhino just right over there. That is the closest that we can get actually.
it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It
So hey guys, finally we are back home and it feels great to be at home. Man, we had a very good experience going all the way to Meghalaya, seeing the parts of Meghalaya and coming back. It was one hell of a journey. And if you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye.